OfficeSuite UC Connector utilizes the OfficeSuite UC for Chrome extension in order to integrate with various web-based applications as well as virtually any web-based CRM. In order to use OfficeSuite UC Connector, customers will download the OfficeSuite UC for Chrome extension, enter their My OfficeSuite username and password, hit set credentials, and they'll be logged in and ready to go. From there, they're able to change various settings, which include turning phone numbers into click-to-call links, which will allow users to click to dial from any web page, not just the application that they're looking to integrate with. They'll be able to confirm calls before initiating them, which is great for multi-desk users and users who work out of various offices who may forget to log out of phones. They'll be able to enable a My OfficeSuite sidebar, which will bake the My OfficeSuite portal directly into certain applications, which include G Suite, formerly Google for Work, Office 365, as well as Microsoft Dynamics 365. And enable call notification pop-ups. So they'll receive a small toast in the bottom right-hand corner that will let them know who was calling them, including their phone number and the caller ID name. And lastly, pop-ups contact source. So this will hyperlink the contact pop-up in the bottom right-hand corner to whichever application the customer prefers. So that'll include Google, which will link automatically to Google Contacts, Office 365, which will automatically link to Office People, Microsoft Dynamics CRM, which will have a little bit more functionality in regards to offering links to different leads, contacts, or companies, which will match the phone number or the contact name that's coming in, or Web Launcher, which you can enter in a customized URL to link to virtually any web page that you choose to. So we're going to start off linking to Office 365, hit save. So the first thing you'll notice is that the phone number is hyperlinked, and whenever I hover over it, it says call from OfficeSuite phone. If I click on it, I'll receive a confirmation before initiating the call because I have that turned on. And from here I can select whichever phone I choose to dial out of. You'll notice these two are actually PC soft phones that I'm logged into, as well as a desk phone at home. So that will allow me to dial out of any of these three phones, whichever one I choose to. I'd select yes, and the phone that I have selected will instantly begin ringing and will automatically initiate a call on the other end to the destination phone number that's listed here. In addition, I have the My OfficeSuite portal baked directly into the right-hand side of my Outlook 365 account. So if I want to chat with different coworkers, if I want to look up my favorites, be able to dial outbound from here, see my presence, so that way I can see my presence or other users' presence that are within the My OfficeSuite portal. Virtually anything that you want to do, including checking your voicemail from the My OfficeSuite portal, you're able to do directly from here. So I can select the menu. You'll notice I can set my call twinning, do not disturb. Like I said, anything that you can do from the My OfficeSuite desktop portal, you can do directly from Office 365, G Suite, or Microsoft Dynamics 365. Whenever I receive a call from someone, I'll receive a notification in the bottom right-hand corner that I can click on. Because I have this set to Office 365, it will link directly to my Office 365 contacts and will do a search to match the phone number that has appeared in the caller ID. Because my contact is here, I can select the contact. It will pull up the contact's information, which that number matches, and it will contain any previous information that I discussed with the contact here as well. If, for example, I want to switch this over to Google, let's say your customer is switching over from Office 365 to Google for Work. Simply, all I've done was select the drop-down list, select Google, hit save. I'll even minimize Chrome. I receive the pop-up here, and it pops directly to the contact's information. So essentially anything that you previously changed, This can be edited by your customers. They can go ahead and hit edit, show all fields, and any notes, custom fields that they've added, anything will be at their fingertips that we just switched over in essentially no time at all. To integrate with Microsoft Dynamics CRM, we're going to select the Microsoft Dynamics dropdown, paste in the URL that is for our Microsoft Dynamics account, and we are integrated with Microsoft Dynamics 365. Now, whenever we receive a notification, we'll actually get a little bit more functionality in regards to integration with Microsoft Dynamics. So whenever I click on this pop-up here, because I have an account already created for the user, and I only have a single contact created, what it does is that it will automatically pop up, give me a field to write notes, and it will log the call length right here as well. So, for example, Anthony wants to discuss more phones for new employees onboarding. Once I hang up the call, it will switch to log call being enabled. I select log call and the call is automatically logged. So now whenever I jump over to activities, it will automatically be logged here, and I'll see any notes that I previously have left for the contact within Microsoft Dynamics. If I receive a call from a contact that doesn't exist within Microsoft Dynamics, whenever I click on the contact pop-up, I'll receive the option of creating an account, creating a contact, or creating a lead. Each of these will come up with the different options for being able to enter in the correct information. So for example, account is just the account name, contact is the first name and last name, and then the lead is a subject, first name and last name. I'm going to go ahead and create an account. I will name it Broadview Networks Test. Hit create account. And now I'm logging calls in a matter of seconds. So now I can go in and enter notes and be able to enter anything that I need to here. I'll just enter great call. After I hang up the call, log call, and now it's adding all the information the same way that it would have in the past. It'll take a minute or two to update, but that information will be updated in a matter of minutes. Lastly, if let's say we have another contact that has the same phone number. So for example, you have a company and they use the same number to dial inbound on. So I closed out Microsoft Dynamics here, minimize. What I'll do is I receive a call from Microsoft Dynamics. So let's say you have a phone number that matches multiple contacts or companies or things like that. Whenever you click on the contact pop-up, it will actually list out every contact, every company, or any leads that match that. So that way we make sure that we're logging the calls directly to the correct space. Once you select it, it will take you to the log call page. And once you log the call, and the call is hung up, you hit log call. What you'll notice is it actually brought me to the contacts page here, popped to the correct page, and any previous contact information is here as well. So it pops directly in Chrome for you, so that way that information is right in front of your face whenever you're ready to look at it. Now what you may be thinking is that that's great that we integrate with Microsoft Dynamics CRM, but none of my customers use that. They use different various web-based CRMs. No need to worry. What we have here is from the drop-down list, the web launcher. You'll utilize this if you're not using Google for Work, Office 365, or Microsoft Dynamics CRM. The web launcher will actually let you enter in a web-based URL with a wildcard. Essentially what the wildcard is that it will replace the phone number if you enter in $TEL $, or it will replace a name, $name, whenever you do a search. So for example, I have whitepages.com, $TEL That's the example that's offered in the web launcher URL text box whenever you are setting it up. So for example, if I were to receive a call, all I did was switch that drop-down list. What it's going to do is link to whitepages.com, automatically parse in the phone number here, and take me directly to the page. It's showing that there wasn't a match just because that's what was searched within White Pages, but it essentially does the search for you. So what I'll do is I will set up another CRM just to show you how easy it is to switch back and forth between web-based CRMs and how quickly you can show your customer that you integrate with their CRM. So I have HubSpot up here. I've already taken the time to search for a phone number, but I'll do that again. I'll search for a different phone number just to show you how it'll work. So I search for 732-773-1031. That's up here in the URL. I just copy, paste it in where the White Pages URL was, remove the White Pages and place it with the HubSpot one. Swap out the phone number for $TEL $, hit save, and I'll even close out this page. I'll close out all pages to show you that it will work with virtually any web-based CRM, even if Chrome is minimized or closed. So now I'll receive a call from 973-933-3333, and you'll notice it automatically links in HubSpot, does the searching for me. So that way we don't have to worry about integrating directly with any or vertical based CRMs. We automatically integrate with virtually any web-based CRM that a customer is using.